Just about to go to the banana shop to buy some bananas. This is our banana shop.
Banana land here.
What do you think of these ones?
Ooh, 30.
I'm gonna try one of these. I like this one or this one.
Any, darling.
I'm gonna buy these two bunches. Let's see how much it costs. What happened now? Itu pisang? Itu.
45.
So this is where I put the bananas on this hook on my bike, and I'm gonna drive like that with the bananas hooked on the bike. Bagus. What do you want more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling.
Where are we going, Martin?
Oh, so we're going to a beautiful place called Sunset Vibes, which is Uluwatu cliffs, and we're gonna go to a beautiful spot and see Sunset Vibes, Uluwatu cliff. Let's go. This is the track. We're going down to Sunset Vibes. Look at the ocean and the swell. Look at these waves. Man, should I surf it or not? Looks gnarly.
Whoa, big.
Wow, here we are. Come here for sunsets and we chill out, and this is where I surf down here at Secrets. Look at this set coming, man. Wonder if any of these guys will get away. Mara, what are your impressions about Sunset Vibes here in Uluwatu?
Very, very, very beautiful, very unique, and when there is no people here, that's the best.
This is where I love to surf down here, paddle out at that corner there. There's one guy paddling out, but man, it's a really fun wave here. You get some super long lefts. Gonna go for a walk down this bridge and over to that spot there. Oh man. Oh. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Sort of on the tip of this cliff. This is southwest swell coming in from the Indian ocean. You can see Mara up there. There's Mara. Over here, it's Uluwatu Temple. See the temple up on the ridge there. So beautiful. This is the Sunset Point Cliff. Sunset Point Cliff, Uluwatu. And Mara's gonna wait for me here while I surf down there. Look at them waves, man. Look at them gnarly waves. Mara's gonna watch me surf, aren't you, Mara? She said she's not feeling well. Wow, that wave looks big. Okay, I'm gonna leave you, Mara. Here I go, I'm gonna jump off, go for a surf. You! We're far from the shallows now. In the shallows, in the shallows, in the shallows, we're far from the shallows now. We're far from the shallows now. Man, that was gnarly. I only got one wave and it closed out on me. There's some dudes jumping off. Bit windy, it's about 6 to 8 foot sets, but man, I was kind of scared out there. Low tide, check out the low tide at Ulu. Time to go see Mara up on the cliff. Mara's up there somewhere, let's go see her. Back at Sunset Point to pick up Mara. I'm ashamed to ask her how I surfed because I only got one wave. Only one wave, and she waited and watched me for ages. Let's go see where she is. Wow, look how beautiful it is. See Mara over there. Mara, you're chilling out, having a fun time. Here's Mara. Well, look at the view. Oh, look at that guy on that wave. I only got one wave, one pathetic wave. Check out these waves, man. Looks like it's getting bigger, eh? You! Check out Secrets, man. It's pumping. Sunset Point Uluwatu. This is all of Uluwatu, starting from Secrets, the Bommy, temples, the peak, and racetracks right at the end. Nice. That's Mara. I've got no thongs because on the reef they broke off. So I'm gonna go in this store to get more thongs. This lady says she has thongs for me. Thongs ada? Yeah. Yes. Umpat tiga. Oh, umpat. Bagus? Oh. Itu mahal. Oke, terima kasih.
Well, he said that it was I forgot the word in English.
Tidak ada thongs. Okay.
We decided it was too expensive.
Oh wow, here's some thongs. But these ones are good. Gotta find my size. 43, 44.
Wow.
What do you think? What, a green or blue? I think the green one.
You will not listen to me either way, darling. Just pick whatever you like.
11 and a half.
Don't open it unless you buy it.
Perfect. Yeah, these are the ones.
Yeah.
Kamu sini? Saya mau dijual itu thongs. Berapanya?
Apa?
Satu.
Itu
Itu
15.
15.
Ya.
Okay, 15. Here we have some Coca-Cola for $1 Australian. It's 1 liter. Let's taste it if it's good.
So the previous lady wanted us to buy the thongs for 75 and the other lady we bought for 15, which makes a big difference.
Show them my thongs, mom.
Sandy.
Yeah. Cantik. Coca-Cola kiss? Coca-Cola kiss, Maria? Kiss.
Why is it
Shallow, shallow. You're a shallow, shallow. We're far from shallow. We're far from shallow.